Hola, hola mis queridos Spoonies y tenedores de la vida y el amor. ¿Cómo están? Yo aquí esperando recuperarme pronto para poder grabar en otro formato. Ni siquiera puedo escuchar. I can barely listen.
So upstairs, downstairs, to the sides, and on the way to the store. Hello, my skinny girls. How are you? I hope you're fine. I'm lucky.
So this video will be like a throwback or like a flashback, or because we're going to be doing a Spoonie tutorial on this eye look featuring the Kylie and Jordyn eyeshadow palette collab, which is this one up here, and I am going to be doing like a not very deep review of the eyeshadow palette because by now it's like kind of pointless, but anyway I will still give you my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. And if you want to know how to accomplish this eye look, please stay, watch this video, and
Amor, amor, nació de Dios para los dos, nació del alma. Sentí que tus besos se anidaron en mí, igual que palomas mensajeras de luz. Saber que mis besos se quedaron en ti, haciendo en tus labios la señal de la cruz. Amor, 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 nació de ti, nació de mí, de la esperanza. Amor, 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 nació de Dios para los dos, nació del alma.
Hola, is because adding this purple, and it looks like it is really pigmented, but when I start blending, everything just leaves.
Amor, amor, nació de ti, nació de mí, de la esperanza. Amor, 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 nació de Dios para los dos, nació del alma. Amor, 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 nació de ti, nació de mí, de la esperanza. Amor, 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 nació de Dios para los dos, nació del alma. Sentí que tus besos se anidaron en mí, igual que palomas mensajeras de luz. Saber que mis besos se quedaron en ti, haciendo en tus labios la señal de la cruz.
these are my final thoughts. Is this the best eyeshadow Is this the best eyeshadow palette that I have ever had? No. Is this the worst? No. Let's say it falls in the category, why the hell did I buy this? It's okay, no, I could easily have lived without this eyeshadow palette. This is the box. We have a bigger box, we have a big eyeshadow palette, bigger than I was used to with this Kylie Cosmetics. I was used to this size. For the same price, my heart is the patchiest of all. It is not bad, it is that I am used to play. I am used to the eyeshadow palettes that the color is immediately there. Are very pigmented, and I really prefer those, because this one, since I am a Spoonie, I don't want to just add and add the same color. This is a 45 eyeshadow palette, if I am not mistaken. Here in San Luis Potosí, it costs more than $45. I'm almost sure that it cost me like 1,300 pesos. So, that being said, that is why I cannot recommend this for a Spoonie. If you want to be as stubborn as me and buy this because of the color scheme, which is beautiful, it is beautiful, but it is not like the great pigmentation. Keep that. I have not found any dupe. See? Hope you can see. This is Makeup Geek and this is Kylie Cosmetics. Do I recommend it? I cannot say do not buy it, but do not expect the same quality as with Makeup Geek Storm eyeshadow palette. I think the payoff is much better, or the quality of Dominique Cosmetics brands or Alamar Cosmetics. These eyeshadow palettes are phenomenal. So that is why I am used to the color in my eyelids. Just to avoid the harsh line. At the end, with a pair of falsies, everything looks fine. This video was dedicated to my mother-in-law who watches me even though she cannot understand what I say. Please do not waste your spoons, keep hydrated, and I hope I can see you on my next video. Bye.